you get a lot of wind hitting your cover like this, whether it's grass, or whether it's reeds like what we're dealing with here, or brush, or whatever it may be, it just makes those fish nervous. I mean, it's constantly moving and changing the environment in there that they're probably used to, because we've got a very stout wind right now. And I can almost imagine these fish in my mind when it's like this. They're darting and diving and moving around in this cover, versus when it would normally be, barely moving with an occasional boat wake or a 10-mile-an-hour wind, and the fish would be set up really good to ambushing. And right now, it's just crashing into the reeds all the time, and they're uncomfortable, just constantly maybe on the move, fidgeting around in there. And I think when it's like that, if you feel like you've got a stretch that's got a lot of fish on it, it gives you as an angler a chance to come back and fish that stretch a few times to get those bites, because the fish are probably repositioning themselves quite often. And there's no way anybody could come in here and flip every piece of cover and feel like they hit it effectively in conditions like this, unless you were just power poled down and spent an 8-hour day fishing 100-yard stretch. Oh, that's a good one right there. Got on that old windy bank over here. I got power pole down right here. Trying to hold me right here. He cracked it on the hop. Pow. That's fun. I mean, we're on the windiest bank on this lake right now. And fighting it down through here. Flipping in there, pretty big weight. And the fish are definitely eating it. You can get around them. They're not hesitant about biting it.